Welcome back to Sugar Bush Trail. Today we're making something warm and festive for your holiday breakfasts, gingerbread pancakes. These fluffy pancakes have all the cozy spices you love and are perfect for a winter breakfast. First, let's mix the dry ingredients. In a large bowl, combine 1 cup of flour, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, half a teaspoon each of ground cinnamon and ginger, a quarter teaspoon of nutmeg, and a pinch of salt. In another bowl, let's add our wet ingredients: 3/4 of a cup of milk, 1 large egg, 2 tablespoons of molasses for that classic gingerbread flavor, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter or oil. Whisk everything together until smooth. Now, pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and stir gently. Don't overmix, just combine until you don't see any flour. A few lumps are totally fine and will keep the pancakes nice and fluffy. Heat a non-stick skillet or griddle over medium heat and lightly grease it. Pour about a 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake and let them cook until bubbles form on the surface, about 2 to 3 minutes. Once bubbles form and the edges look set, it's time to flip. Cook for another minute or 2 until they're golden brown. And there you have it. Stack them up and serve with maple syrup, a dusting of powdered sugar, or even a dollop of whipped cream if you're feeling fancy. These gingerbread pancakes are fluffy, flavorful, and perfect for a holiday breakfast. Thanks for watching Sugar Bush Trail. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments if you try them. Happy holidays!